where is the speed change? So when you want to change speed, you can either make a selection in your script and then you switch to the layer panel on the right-hand side layer, and you have duration here and speed. You see that? So if I drag this, let me just look at the timeline. This is my selection. And if I drag the duration to make it slower or faster, look at this. There you go. You see now speed has been applied to that selection. So I've seen a lot of users asking, I don't know how to change speed anymore. And volume too. So again, volume, make a selection either in your text or down here in the timeline. And then here's how you change volume, up and down. And you notice how it's changing. So you have to be on the layer and you have to select the layer that you are on. So if I go back to script here at the top, you see I've got two layers. In my sequence, I have two files, myself and Chris, 2 tracks. So you have to select the right track, or you make your selection down here, of course. Look at this, that's selection or selecting text. And then you go and change the things you want to change in the layers section. That's a bit of a confusion because it used to be on the single unified sidebar. Now it's in the layers.